Right now, in a highly secured lab, there is a computer so powerful that it could crack the password protecting your bank account in seconds. Solve problems that would take today's fastest computers millions of years, in minutes. And in 2026, for the very first time in human history, it's finally ready. This is the quantum computer. And nothing will ever be the same. To understand why this matters, you need to know how regular computers work. Every computer you've ever used, your phone, your laptop, every server powering the internet, works using something called bits. A bit is either a 0 or a 1. On or off. Yes or no. Everything your computer does, every video you watch, every message you send, is just billions of zeros and ones being processed incredibly fast. For decades this has worked brilliantly. But some problems are so complex that even the fastest traditional computers would take longer than the age of the universe to solve them. That's where quantum computing comes in. Instead of bits, quantum computers use something called qubits. And here's where it gets mind-bending. A regular bit is either 0 or 1. A qubit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, a state called superposition. Imagine flipping a coin. A regular computer sees either heads or tails. A quantum computer sees both simultaneously. This means a quantum computer can explore millions of possible solutions to a problem all at once, instead of checking them one by one. IBM, one of the world's most respected technology companies, has now officially announced that 2026 is the year their quantum computer will outperform every classical computer on the planet for the first time ever. They're calling it quantum advantage. And it changes everything. But here's the part that should make you pay attention. The same power that makes quantum computers incredible also makes them terrifying. Almost all of the encryption that protects your data online, your banking passwords, your medical records, your private messages, is based on mathematical problems that are impossible for today's computers to crack. Quantum computers could solve those same problems in seconds. Cybersecurity experts are already calling this Y2Q, the quantum equivalent of the Y2K crisis. Governments around the world are quietly scrambling to develop new encryption standards before quantum computers become widely available. The US government has already started the process. But most businesses and individuals have no idea the threat is coming. But the flip side of that threat is an almost unimaginable opportunity. Quantum computers could design new medicines by simulating molecules at an atomic level, potentially curing diseases that have defeated scientists for centuries. They could model the Earth's climate with perfect accuracy, unlocking solutions to climate change we can't even conceive of today. They could optimize global supply chains, financial markets, and energy grids in ways that save trillions of dollars. IBM's head of quantum computing described it simply: we've moved past theory. Today we're using quantum computers for real use cases. The quantum era isn't coming. It's here. The quantum computer is the single most powerful technology ever built by human hands, and most people have never even heard of it. If you want to stay ahead of the technologies that are about to change your world, subscribe to the AI Effect.